Hi, I'm social media speaker, trainer and author Sam Flynn, and I would love you to join me on the 11th of September in Manchester City Centre for my half-day event, Social Media Content SOS. The whole event is completely focused on your social media content, and we're going to overcome some of the issues you have with content. We're going to make sure your content is engaging for your audience, that it gets as high a reach as it possibly can, and that it converts your audience into paying customers. I really hope you can join me for this half-day event. The great thing is, when you come along to the event, you will be given the option of one of my brand new online courses absolutely free. Those courses are going to retail at £40 each, and the early bird for the event is only £35, so it makes complete sense to come along. So just head below to book your tickets now, and I really hope to see you there.